Welcome. In front of me I have Sharp Aquos Smart LED TV 40-inch, and I'm going to show you how you can check serial number of this device. So at the first we have to move on the right upper corner when we can find the settings icon. You have to click OK on your remote control, then move for the device preferences. Click OK, and right now go for the About section by clicking OK button, and then we have to move for the status, confirm with OK, and as you can see right now under the uptime we can find the serial number of your device. It's right here. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.